In a world where blockbusters reign supreme, Argylle aimed for the stars, but landed in the discount bin with a thud, $18 million. Let's dive in.
Critics sharpened their knives, audiences turned up their noses, and Argylle got served a 35% fresh salad by Rotten Tomatoes. Ouch.
And then there was a Taylor Swift conspiracy. Argylle patterns. A cat, Swifties on detective duty. Spoiler, she wasn't there, folks.
With a whopping $200 million budget, Argylle couldn't spy its way past The Chosen or even The Beekeeper. Maybe it needed more bees?
As Argylle contemplates its next move, perhaps a career in streaming, we're left wondering, what's the next big flop? Stay tuned for more cinematic adventures.